Hello all, hope you are fine and preparing well. Here is my IBPS CLERK main self-given analysis. Without any late, let's get started. I will start with the reasoning section first. First thing is about directions. We can clearly remember that in this directions question, there are some symbols and also there will be some possibilities if we do the question. In the starting stage I got confused, but later I got the answer. I got one possibility is cancelled and I did the questions with another possibility. Next one is about data sufficiency questions. These questions are easy. Next one is hierarchy based puzzle, like designations are given. I don't know why, but I stopped in one point where it is about cricket and also badminton. So I have to do it twice. So I did this puzzle 2 times. I don't know what others felt about this puzzle, but I did it twice due to some inconvenience in that point. At last I solved this. I got some anxiety, but I solved this. So I did whatever I can in the exam. Next one is about 2-mark questions. I managed to solve them, but I didn't get the answer. Like after seeing them, instructions are like one full paragraph. Like in section 1, I don't know it is section 1 or A, but it is the instructions are like one paragraph and it is unable to read in that less time. I have some fear about year based puzzle, but in exam it is mixed with blood relations, which is very scary. So I didn't even dare to touch that puzzle. So everything what I have marked is about only 1-mark questions and no 2-mark questions. Next one, critical reasoning. This one also, before last year I lost the job due to this critical reasoning. I lost so many marks due to this critical reasoning. So 0 questions I have marked. And remaining questions are like miscellaneous, and you can see only one small paragraph and then miscellaneous puzzles were asked. So my overall attempt in reasoning is 20 and all are 1-mark questions, no 2-mark questions. Comment your attempt section wise and also mention the state as well. While commenting, if you didn't attempt any 2-mark questions, just keep it as 0, otherwise no need to mention about it. Coming to the English section, half of the paper is like error location, and if you observe the heading, some are no error based questions and some are error based questions. We have to see this. We have to check what they are asking, like whether it is no error question or error based question. I still have so many doubts about this section, whether I have marked it right or wrong. Next one is reading comprehension. Generally we see 2 RCs in a paper, but this time it is different. Even though I understood the context, I am unable to mark those questions which are related to that paragraph. I don't know why. I can say that in yesterday's paper, English is the toughest section. There are some 3 paragraphs, but questions are like only 4 or 5. Only 4 or 5 questions which are related to those paragraphs were asked. Instead of saying I attempted this RC, I can say that I managed this RC. Next one, parajumble. This one also I felt tough. Like I have spent so much of time finding that pattern. And even I got one question answer as none also. I don't know whether it is correct or not. Even I managed this section also. If you got none as one answer in this section, please do comment. Next one is about miscellaneous questions. They have given one paragraph and also one blank related to it. We have to answer that blank according to context. So I have answered that, and also some questions which are like phrasal replacement. I have answered some of those questions. In this paper also, English section, chance of errors is high. In my opinion, yesterday's English section is like moderate to tough. Time got wasted in this section, like whether I have to read this or not. So I am unable to concentrate on many things in this section. Seriously, time drained in these sections, especially error location and RC sections. My overall attempt in this section is 29, but chance of errors is more. That's why I can't guarantee my marks in this section. Coming to the current affairs section, these are the questions which I have marked. First one is about Bio E3, not was asked, so entrepreneurship is the answer. Next one, 1.5 billion loan, World Bank, and ADB Swachh Bharat loan. So these are related to loans category. You can check my previous videos. I always say read loans. This topic is very important. Next one is about ICICI and also Tata Power Solar Systems Limited. This one is related to August month. So the answer is ICICI. Next one, threshold for bulk fixed deposits is 3 crore, but answer is 2 crore because 3 crore is already mentioned in question. So answer of the yesterday's question is 2 crore and recent current affairs is about 3 crore. Next one is about cattle race. This one I have marked wrong. Answer is Kerala, but I marked Tamil Nadu, which is wrong. So this one is wrong. And next one is about Chandragupta Ridge and also Kalpataru Ridge. People in groups are saying that all of the above is correct. I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. Please do comment about this. And next one is about days and themes. This is the theme of National Space Day and this one is correct. Next one is related to housing finance companies. Here the question is about 1st of January and answer is 14%. But there is another one which is 15%, but it is about 1st of July 2025. So please don't confuse about this. Answer is 14% and not 15%. If July was asked, answer is 15, but here yesterday's question answer is 14% only because of 1st January 2025. You can check this if you have any doubt regarding that question. Next one is related to investment credit company. Answer is L&T, but I don't know, some people are saying Tata also. I don't even remember that it was asked in the options. Next one is NBSL. In this, B stands for beam, which is very important. Next one is about sports. Aman Sherawat is not related to boxing. So this option is wrong. We have to mark this. And remaining Neeraj Chopra and also Sarabjot Singh and Manu Baker, those are mentioned like correct options only, like shooting, javelin throw, shooting and all. Next one is Ayushman Bharat Health Account ID, which is of 14 digit. I also marked this. Next one is UPI tax limit, which is 5 lakh. 5 lakh is the answer. If anything is wrong in these 14 questions, please do comment so that I can check my score according to this. Up to now, only one question is wrong according to my knowledge. Please do comment your attempts also. So my overall attempt in current affairs section is 14. Already one question was wrong and remaining 13 were right according to my knowledge. Coming to the quant section, I got C&D in 2 questions which are related to mixture chapter and partnership chapter. I don't know whether they are correct or wrong, so please do comment so that I can check whether my questions are correct or not. Next one is about DI. It is about metallic and plastic, sold and unsold. In the first instance, I got some confusion after seeing this, the table and also pie chart, but finally I got the answers. I understood the question. But in the given questions, one question is very confusing. I didn't solve that. I tried but I left. Next one is mini DA about students. Only 2 questions were asked. I got one question answer as 0. If you got this, please do comment. Next one is about number series. I got the answer as 169 for one question. And also some question which is related to this x, like x is some square of the number. Next one is about quadratic questions. I don't know how it went, but chance of errors is more in these quadratic questions. I have to see how much I will score in this section because chance of errors is more. Next one is simplifications. Of course, it was easy. And next one is about caselet. I didn't solve this. Actually, I have no time to solve this caselet. Next one, miscellaneous questions. In this one question, I got 10 years as the answer. T value is 10. I think I remember like 10 years. If you also got this, please do comment. Next one is time and distance train question. I got 10 hours as the answer. Please do comment if you got these 2 answers or not. Overall, quant section is easy to moderate. Like everyone has attempted 25 and more than 25. My overall attempt in this section is 32. So please do comment your attempts also. So in quant 32, CA 14. One question is wrong of course, but I am mentioning the attempts here. CA 14. 20 and 29 in reasoning and English sections. Overall 95 is my attempt. So this is my overall attempt, and please do comment your attempts also and mention the state as well. I don't know what is my chance of selection in this exam. I have to see what will happen. Guys, I will upload one video which is related to quant. It will be helpful to beginners and already preparing aspirants as well. So please stay tuned. I will upload tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So all the best for all your upcoming exams and see you all in the next video.